Hindi namin pinajudge ang people.
So, paano nyo iiyak yung mga yan?
Game.
Tsaka ano, handa talaga kami kasi lang,
Wala yung gitara.
oo, tsaka yun.
Game.
Sige.
May complete silence.
Kapag naman, guys, ano naman, nagsusulat naman kami, so, kung kakabit naman kami ngayon, huwag nyo kami
Kailangan.
Ilan talent ka ba?
Tama na dakda.
Game. Sino una?
Ikaw.
Ikaw kanta ka mo ng Just Give Me a Reason, my favorite song.
Pagkatapos ko, hindi na naman yung favorite ko. Hindi na mag-ususan yung kanta.
Hindi, guys, huwag nyo kami i-judge, kasi,
Huwag mo naman i-video man.
Ano po binibidyo ko na?
Ay, may sasabay mamaya. Magsasend mo sa voice. Maganda kayo ha. Kasi mawawala ko to.
Ayoko, game. So, guys, sabay na lang. Sige.
reporting mo.
Sige.
sige, ikaw muna.
Nakalikod ako para.
Sige.
Tama tayo.
Grabe sa minuto na wala pa rin.
Talikod kaya mo.
Right from start, you were a thief, you stole my heart. And I'm your willing victim. Ooh. Ikaw na kasi.
Let you see a part of me that burn out the freedom. Every time.
Oh,
Ano ko sunod? Yours. Seryoso ka.
Hands!
Just give
Give me a reason, just a little just a second, when I'm broken, then we can learn to live again. It's been written in the past of my heart. We're not broken, just when we can learn to reach out. Oh, tama na guys, hindi na naman. Nagandaan nyo lang natin. Ginawa ko na.
Game. Shut up.